Hi everyone, and thank you so much for coming to this video in order to learn about the whistleblower channel management AI agent process. And here is this is the demo video where I will show you the complete end-to-end process that how this AI agent is going to automate your whistleblower channel management process and can help you save your hours for some more strategic work, and also it helps you respond faster to your customers, to the complainants, and it ensures that there will be 100% compliance tracking. Now, the current challenge is that many of the internal audit and compliance teams are facing is that they have a manual whistleblower reporting process where they receive emails, then there is a dedicated person who just categorizes these emails and then send the reports to the different departments that this is a whistleblower complaint received from a customer related to technical services, related to harassment cases, or whatever different type of complaints they receive, and then they start the investigations or the inquiries or whatever they are going to do. Now, this is complete manual process. It takes a lot of time, and this results in the delayed responses, and it can also cause potential regulatory penalties worth millions. Now, this AI-powered solution is an automated workflow that whenever an email is received from a complainant, it just categorizes it. It finds that to which team it belongs. So it, along with the internal audit, it also sends the email to the concerned POC from that department. It routes the emails intelligently and also has complete audit trails. So it transforms the risk into a competitive advantage. Now, the problem this solution is going to solve for you is the average cost of compliance violations. Organizations, like I have mentioned, struggle with the manual processing, and like I have mentioned, it takes a lot of time even to just compile that email and send back to it customer to find that also or to ask some more details from the customer. So this actually reduces the response time from the company or from the whistleblower and compliance team to the complainant also, and to the team which is going to investigate the whole process, or the responsible team, like what we can say. So like I have mentioned, it is an intelligent automation platform which cat- takes the emails and categorizes it and prioritizes reports automatically. It auto assigns it to the team based on the content analysis. This solution is built using n at n, which is a no code or low code tool, and the AI models that can be used like that can be the open AI models or the Cloud AI models, or you can use Gemini or whatever you want, but we have used open AI here. It has email integration, it has database management, and it can be connected to the audit system also. So here are the strategic business benefits. You can save more than 15 hours per week with the complete audit trails, standardized workflows, 80% faster response time, and it can be scaled along with your organization to handle increasing volumes. And the same solution can be applied to any customer contact center teams also. So there is a lot of potential in this solution. Also, it can save your labor cost, and also it can avoid the potential penalty that can occur due to, for example, if you missed an email, if you are not going to take action on time. So it can help you in this potential penalty avoidance also. So how it works, I'm also going to show you the workflow. But when an email is received from through a whistleblower channel, then it is automatically triggered, and then an AI agent just within 5 seconds analyzes the content of the email and then finds that to which area or to which team this complaint belongs, and then a reply is generated to the customer that we have received this your email, and then also it asks the customer that if agent finds that we need some more proof related to this complaint, also like whatever for example, if your team member asks the customer that we need such proof, so the same, the AI agent perform the same thing um, through this automation, that it replies to the complainant and asks the complainant that could you please provide us proof, or whatever question any person can ask, so the AI agent does the same within 5 seconds. And now a structured file with meta generated, it's an instant a file is generated, it routes to the team or the specialist for the immediate action. And the same, the whole process of the whistleblower management, that how many complaints are received, how many complaints are pending, how are the how many are the like average days of like resolution of the complaint. So it can be shown through a real time dashboard. Let's say this is your whistleblower email, and these are the email received through the whistleblower channel from, for example, any customer. And these are the contents of the email, for example, what to do. And there is an anonymous email received related to like harassment or any other thing they have received. And then I will show you the workflow, that this workflow is going to read the email with the help of AI agent, generate a reply, send an email, and store it in the database. That can be your database. For example, I'm using the year table here. Now, what it is doing? Now, this is a schedule trigger. For example, it triggers based upon like after every 30 seconds, whenever an email is received, that it triggers. But I'm going to trigger it manually here just to show you the use case, uh, and what type of result it is generating. So I will just execute the workflow. Here it is going to fetch all emails, read all emails. The AI agent is going to segregate that to which team this email belongs, and then it is going to generate an email reply. This is going to send an email. And also along with that, whenever an email is sent to the complainant, then the same, for example, the email that it has read, then it is going to mark as read. And also it has to update the year table related to the relevant team. For example, here we can see that the complaints received by the whistleblower channel are related to HR, then it is going to send directly it to the HR team, and not going to send to internal audit or technology or legal or HSC or any other team. So this process, this workflow can be made much better. For example, and the same workflow can be used for any customer support system also, or for any other process in any organization where the email tracking and email reply need to be automated, and it need to be made much faster. So now let me show you that these are the two emails, what to do and I'm struggling. These were being read by this AI agent, and now it is going to generate replies to the customer. For example, these emails are received from this email, and now it has generated replies. Like you can show, you can, here is the time that they have received this email. Now here is a reply. For example, the AI agent has received this email. I am struggling. Such type of email with no name and any other thing. I am struggling. And this is the reply generated. Dear complainant, thank you for bringing this matter to our attention. And this is a reply generated by the whistleblower and compliance team AI agent, not a human reply. And also we can add human into the loop also. For example, this email is first saved in a draft, and then after reviewing the email content, then it's and a human can send it directly to the complainant, or you can make the AI agent to send the replies directly within less than 5 seconds. So here is another reply to the email, what to do. We have received this email, like I have already shown you this email, what to do. Here is the subject, and here is the reply. Now, the whole process can be visualized, like we can have a whistleblower dashboard with the real-time insights, like how many complaints are received in this month, how many are pending, how many have been resolved, what is the complaints by category, team assignment, complaint age distribution, and monthly complaint trend. And this dashboard will be visible to the head of departments or to the chief audit executive, and they can have a real-time insights about any of the whistleblower complaints received through any of the channels. So that's the whole whistleblower channel management process in action, automated with the help of AI. An AI agent doing the whole process, reducing the work hours, reducing the time you need to spend on this process, and also with an 80% faster response and 100% compliance tracking. So thank you so much for watching.